Hey there, Wes. Who do you have there? Is that Owen's kitty cat? Kitty is so cute and soft. Can you pet her? Can you give her a kiss? Can you give Nina a kiss? Oh, a hug. That's nice. Wesley, where are your eyes? Can you blink your eyes? Wes, blink your eyes. Where's your mouth? That's your tongue. Tongue? Where's your nose? Can you touch your nose? Nose? That's right. Where's your hair? That's right. Where's your belly button? Are you pointing to your belly button? Where is it? Belly button. Very good. What does a kitty cat say?
Kitty.
Does the kitty cat say meow, meow, meow? What does a doggy say? Are you ready to go bye-bye?
Yeah.
Bye-bye. Okay, see you later. Can you blow a kiss? Blow a kiss. Mwah. Bye-bye. Uh-oh. Say all done. Bye-bye.